Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am Chef Vincent and you are watching Vincent's Culinary Arts. So we are here at the Thanksgiving week and I hope you all are ready to celebrate the holidays with your family and friends. So today I am going to show you how I make my Thanksgiving turkey. Here I kept my turkey submerged in water for thawing. Now I will start marinating my turkey. For my marination I have got butter, chopped garlic, chopped rosemary, chopped thyme, crushed pepper, salt to taste, and I have got this Adobo all-purpose seasoning. So let's begin. I am using butter for this marination mixture so that the turkey becomes tender and soft when it's cooked. I will take this mixture and spread it beneath the turkey skin like this. Now I will be stuffing this vegetable inside my turkey. I have here carrot, lemon, celery and garlic. And I will add some this rosemary and thymes to get better flavor and aroma. Now I will add some more spices and seasoning over my turkey. I have preheated my oven at 300 Fahrenheit. Now it's time to cook the turkey. Just check now. I think my turkey is cooked already. Look at this pop-up timer. It's popped up already. That means my turkey is cooked. The turkey smells really nice. Let's check this out. So this is my roast turkey for Thanksgiving. I hope you all like this. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel, leave a like and share with your friends. I wish you all a very happy Thanksgiving and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.